Alright, so got transformer wired up. Got a module here. Want to see if the Honeywell sensors will work on the old modules. So this is your mixed airflow, your T1T mixed airflow, and this will be your enthalpy or your outdoor. Got power there, so we'll jump out. There, I'll give it a call for cooling. So go TR to 1. Plug it in first. Alright. Now, what I did find is, if you get the Klein screwdriver set, the smallest one, if you look in there, see how the white thing's gone? The actual setting pin right here is gone, right? So you normally can't turn that with a regular little screwdriver, but if you get the Klein, the little mini one, hold on, right in there. See how there's no white thing because they get stripped out or broke? If you use this one, you can get in there and you can get it. So we're on a call for cooling. TR to 1, jump it. That's your Y1 call. This should drive to your minimum position. And I just have my sensors jumped on, but I want to see if this enthalpy sensor will respond with this module. I'm just waiting for it to drive open. 3 will be your Y2 in. 2 to 5 is usually your Y1 out, and 4 will be your Y2 out. Alright, so now that we're there, gave it a call, it drove open. Alright, so now that it's on a call, you can stick this one in here. Well, let's see if it does anything with that enthalpy sensor. Probably not. Fits in there pretty good. So we're in free cooling. We don't have any exhaust, so I don't have to worry about that. We don't have any indoor air quality hooked up. That's for this one. This one should be, let's see if we set that up. So, looks like it doesn't respond to that sensor. Hold on. Alright. Let me pull this one off. So I guess it does work with these. The humidity is pretty high where I'm at, so and it's driving back closed. No free cooling available. But if we touch it, the free cooling light comes back on, so these actually do work. So the Honeywell sensors will work on the old modules. That's pretty cool. Cool. So, a little tip. That works if those are broke. Now let's do this. Let's take out our call. Dampers are going to close. Alright, so it's saying that we have some free coolant available. Set everything down. The N terminal is for your occupied. So that's N is for occupied. So you can always fold it on there too. This one is for your CO2 sensor. And this is your adjustment. If you put this one halfway to 6 volts, it'll set it to about 1,000 ppms. So this one. Excuse me, it's this one right here. And there's your light. And then this one is for the sensor. This one's right there. This one goes to there. Alright, so let's go to our minimum, see if we can drive it open. It doesn't respond. Hold on.
That's how you know. Hey, Sage. Is he eating? Did he eat any of that stuff? No. Then just grab the plate.
So, if your sensors are broke, that's what I'm simulating, open sensors, right? You can see if it works. You can take your TR, which is your 24, right? This is for your damper, okay? So 24 volts,
What that's for.
this should open it.
Thank you, that's not a brush.
Alright, so you can check it that way too. So now, put our sensors back on. Come on. So add the positive, and you can just check it that way. So now the damper is going to drive open because I'm doing it to the max. We'll go about halfway. So, pretty cool. Well, you guys can always hook up 24 volts and kind of just play with it, take your meter, and just go in between and kind of break the wires and simulate broken sensors and whatnot. And this way you can get your troubleshooting down on it. So, but like, subscribe, later.